Istanbul Vita sees surge in hair transplants as Turkey becomes global hotspot. Istanbul, Turkey, is rapidly becoming a global destination for hair transplant procedures, with Istanbul Vita hair transplant clinic seeing rising demand from international patients. Thanks to a mix of advanced medical techniques, experienced teams, and affordable pricing, Turkey now attracts thousands of people annually seeking high-quality hair restoration services. Istanbul Vita alone treats around 1,500 international clients each year, with most visitors coming from countries like France, Germany, Italy, Romania, and the United States. Hair loss, especially among those over 30, is a growing concern worldwide, and clinics like Istanbul Vita are meeting the challenge with cutting-edge methods such as DHI, direct hair implantation, and FUE Sapphire. These approaches ensure natural-looking results with minimal downtime. The country's appeal is further enhanced by its strong medical infrastructure, strategic location, and patient-friendly packages that include consultations, procedures, and even travel logistics like airport pickup and hotel stays, all contributing to Turkey's booming hair transplant tourism industry.